Hey everybody, Jamie from the Rain Doctors YouTube channel, and I got a great show for you today. We're going to be looking at this. Yep, a 20 horsepower Mercury. It's about a 1979, I think. And the customer brought it in and said, hey, can you check the compression and make sure that the validity of the engine is okay? Yeah, so we're going to do that. But I've already gone and done that, and it was 120 PSI. I already checked the spark, and the spark is okay. So it looks like I can actually move ahead and do a tune-up on an engine. But, I got my new camera. And what did I find with my camera? This. That's freckling. So when a person stores an engine and they don't winterize it properly, water can get inside an open cylinder through the exhaust port. When this happens, if it's light enough, as in not a lot of moisture getting in, we get freckling. Freckling are rust deposits on the cylinder wall. Now, when a person starts an engine the following year, those little freckles, again seen here, will disappear as the engine runs. The rings will basically rub them off the wall. But over time, this can get worse, especially if the customer keeps doing it over and over and over. So what I have to talk to the customer about once this engine is tuned up and ready to go is how to properly winterize his engine with storage fog. So we can choose to spray that in through the carburetor, or we can spray it in through the spark plugs so that the engine is able to sit up for the winter and not rust. So what the what the storage fog actually does is it coats everything with a light film of oil so that water can't get at it. If you guys stick around until the end, I've got a great question for you. It has nothing to do with the marine industry, but it's something that's probably been on your mind since about 1982. Stick around for the end, and you're gonna know what I'm talking about. Now, what I also found when I was peeking around inside the engine was carbon deposits. There was also some light scoring on the cylinder wall, which to me isn't really gonna hurt the engine all that much. Given its age and the condition it's in, it's still gonna run okay. But we gotta take care of that carbon, because what the carbon is gonna do is it's going to cause more damage to the cylinder walls and the piston rings and possibly even the piston, as we saw earlier on an engine that had carbon deposits, the rings stuck in place on the piston, and the piston was able to move back and forth and up and down, depositing aluminum onto the cylinder wall. This one is in the early stages, and we can actually save this engine. So what I have to tell the guy is, put this in. This is quick clean. So what it'll do is help remove the carbon deposits from the cylinder wall, from the exhaust, and from the rings. If that doesn't do it well enough, we have this, Power Tune. It's nasty stuff, but it works really well. I can't count the times that I've used this stuff, and it's made me sick over the next few days. So I don't use it anymore. But quick clean, Power Tune. That's the order, right? Okay, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this and learned quite a bit. Whoa, before you go, there is one thing that I want to add. One thing. It's been, let's see, 12 off how old I am. It's been about, what, 42, 43 years? Hey, you still wish you had Jesse's girl? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And hey, take care out there.